Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will be unboxing this package that came on the mail. I can't wait to open it. Sometimes it's very hard to wait to actually film the unboxing videos because I get too excited and I can't wait to open it, but I do have to wait. So let's go ahead and open this one. This is, as you can see, from Louis Vuitton, and I am absolutely in love with the orange and the blue box. Let's go ahead and open and see what's in it. And this is, comes in different pouches. There's a separate bag. And we ready? Ta-da! So this is the multi-pochette that has everyone going crazy. Either we love it or we hate it, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I know everyone's been saying this is just a nylon strap, but if you look at it, it is very well made, and I'm absolutely loving the pink and the gold combo. So let's take, oh, there's another dust bag. Let's see what's in it. Oh, this is very cute. Very cute. I don't know why they have this thing, but it feels very bulky. Put this back. This is the other one. That's the chain. Fabric lining. And this one. This one has a little pocket on the inside. Let's go ahead and attach them together. Very beautiful chain, gorgeous. So that's the strap. So this is absolutely beautiful. I know it has Instagram going crazy with everyone trying to figure out how this thing works, but I personally think it is a very functional piece. You can, of course, everybody knows by now that you can use it separately. This you can use separately, the other one you can actually take this off and use only this one as a little bag. I'm wearing a sweater today because it is a little cold outside. I think it's 40 degrees or 50 degrees actually Fahrenheit. So this is the chain. I think it looks a lot like Felicity chain. Very nice, and of course it's removable, so you can take this off, use this separately. This doesn't have a D-ring, so you won't be able to hook it on the bigger pouch. So the only one that fits is this one. I absolutely love this one. You can use this as a strap with different bags. You don't have to just use it with the pochette that came with it. It has the cowhide leather, the leather right here on both sides. I know they have navy and khaki color, but this pink is gorgeous. Well, you already know I'm in a mood for pink today, but this combo is stunning. I don't have one with me, the coin purse, to compare, but this is definitely wider than the regular coin purse, and if I have to guess, it looks a little bit smaller. My problem with this coin purse is I don't know why they have this thing here, so once it's folded, it does feel pretty bulky and it looks like it's taking a lot of space. So even though it's this big, you can only put your coins over here. I would think they're trying to prevent this from the coins from falling from the side when you open it, but why not do the same like the other one? And that's that. If I have to compare mini pochette with the smaller pouch from multi pochette, this is much bigger. I don't have the pochette accessoire or accessories, so to compare, so I won't be able to tell you, but this is how it looks. And the chain is definitely longer, and the chain is also a little bit different, this style. I don't have any mini pochette in monogram, so this is a nice addition to have. It is very expensive for what it is, but it comes with a strap. You get two pouches that's bigger. This pouch looks similar to Neverfull pouch, and I know people who buy it for over $300 and around $400 actually for just the pouch, but this is wider than the Neverfull pouch. You can use these to go inside. This also has a pocket, slip pocket on the inside. The chain, they usually sell it at least on pre-loved market for about $300. Again, this is 310, 25. I'm not 100% sure, but around that price range. And the pochette accessoire or pochette accessories, they go for about $500, and the canvas strap is, depending on the kind that you get, $495 to $500 plus. So you get this one. It is very thick and it did feel very comfortable on my shoulder. I can't wait to try it out. So 500, 400, 300, 210 to 40, about $400. So 1400, 1700. So you're getting a lot of stuff. You don't have to, if you don't like the look of it, everything together, you don't have to carry it, wear it as a bag. You can just use it as a strap. I can't wait to try it with my other bags. So let me know what you think about this one. I'm very excited to get this. Actually, I did place in pre-order, so I'm very excited. Very excited. And of course we love the monogram canvas, so I don't even have to say how beautiful everything is in the logo. So that's it for today. Let me know what you think, and please don't forget to subscribe or hit the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. So I will see you next time.